Yesterday morning this Porsche failed on me. I thought I was about to spend 800 bucks, drove my kids around with no suspension. I rented another car and the fix ended up being this. So that's the full story. Kids needed to go to school, as we know, all in a hurry. Panamera doesn't raise and you see it's pretty low. Pump is running, I hear a pop, and car is stuck on low ride. So I assume pump is dead, shocks are dead. I'm already counting money on my bank account because that will not be cheap. And those things are never going to happen on a good day. It was my son's birthday. We were going to go on a snow tubing day. My truck, unfortunately, has a P300 code, so it's also not running. Driving a luxury Porsche like a slammed car and forced to rent a Jeep Wagoneer. Ha! So at this point, I already accepted it. New pump, new shocks. I was ready to spend 800, 1200 bucks if the pump needs to be replaced as well. And this is where most people stop checking. So this car has fuses in the front. I already took the cover. There's another one on the other side. There's 140 amp fuse right there, which is good. And I'm gonna check back now. And there are more fuses back here. You just lift this thing, slide to the side, fuses there. I want this one. And let's check. Boom! Black right there. This is broken. And I just got the Amazon package. I got tons of it. Let's change it. I don't know if you can hear. This channel isn't about just installing parts. It's about not wasting money. Understand your cars. Enjoy the views, even if it fights back. If this saves you money, stress, or gave you any kind of enjoyment, please consider subscribing. It helps me a lot. And